Are you a vocabulary pro? Hey friends! Answer 20 English questions. You have only 5 seconds per question. Test your vocabulary, synonyms and antonyms. Start now. Question number 1. What does remarkable mean? Remarkable means noteworthy. Question number 2. Choose the antonym of fragile. Antonym of fragile is strong. Question number 3. Choose the synonym of thrive. Synonym of thrive is prosper. Question number 4. What does conceal mean? Conceal means hide. Question number 5. Choose the antonym of benevolent. Antonym of benevolent is cruel. Question number 6. Choose the synonym of abandon. Synonym of abandon is leave. Question number 7. What does insightful mean? Insightful means perceptive. Question number 8. Choose the antonym of ancient. Antonym of ancient is modern. Question number 9. Choose the synonym of persistent. Synonym of persistent is determined. Question number 10. What does triumph mean? Triumph means victory. Question number 11. Choose the antonym of elegant. Antonym of elegant is clumsy. Question number 12. Choose the synonym of scarcity. Synonym of scarcity is shortage. Question number 13. What does innovative mean? Innovative means creative. Question number 14. Choose the antonym of reluctant. Antonym of reluctant is eager. Question number 15. Choose the synonym of astonish. Synonym of astonish is amaze. Question number 16. What does genuine mean? Genuine means real. Question number 17. Choose the antonym of cautious. Antonym of cautious is reckless. Question number 18. Choose the synonym of deteriorate. Synonym of deteriorate is worsen. Question number 19. What does admire mean? Admire means respect. Question number 20. Choose the antonym of resilient. Antonym of resilient is fragile. Done. Comment how many correct. Keep practicing and enjoy.